Hello and welcome to another video of Ekcel Academy. In this video, I'll be telling how you can access the direct tax live classes for CS Executive, old syllabus and new syllabus, that is the live classes. So already Vishwa sir has done two live sessions on YouTube and they were a huge success. Students really liked it. All of you have been giving us very good feedback about Vishwa sir's teaching style and how he's solving each and every doubt on a live session. So now we already have done two of these classes which is completely free on YouTube. You can still watch it. I will also link it in the description box below. Now for the other classes. So we have done two classes. Now what about the other classes? So other classes will be on Zoom platform. So in this video I'll tell you how from March 25th to April 12th you can access all the other classes. Now let us have a look at it. So the first thing is, as you know that we have been giving this classes and Vishwas has taken the classes already. Now 25th March onwards we are going to be giving these classes, and what are the important features, let us try and understand. So the first concept we need to know is that the live classes will be where you'll be interacting with Vishwas sir. So as you can see here, there'll be all these things which you're going to get. So there'll be Vishwas sir who will be interacting with you and he'll be giving you live classes where you can ask all the doubts. So live doubt clearing, because the classes will be on the Zoom. So we have a new platform which is Zoom. So zoom.us. So on this platform we'll be doing the live classes. We'll be sending you the link, all those things, you don't worry. And over there you can ask all the doubts. You can even ask your doubts orally or text. It is not like YouTube you can only ask in text, but on Zoom you can even have an audio question and sir can answer your questions for the entire direct access. So for both old and new syllabus it will be useful, and the complete 100% syllabus will be covered. Already the two free sessions are on YouTube. Other sessions will be on Zoom, and many students are asking what if we miss the live. So you can watch the recording. So as you can see here, you can watch the recordings later on for unlimited times, and these recordings will be on our Ekcel Academy Android app or it will be on our website. So in both these places you can watch it on mobile or laptop, desktop, whichever is comfortable for you. So this is the best part. You get the live classes, correct? You can ask your doubts. Suppose you missed it or you didn't miss it, you watched it, but you want to watch again to understand something, or how a problem was solved, because it is all MCQ based, right? For MCQ, we always tell you first is the concept. Even in GST classes, Raksha ma'am has told you that if you know the concept, you can answer the MCQ. Don't know you simply by hearting the questions or practicing lot of MCQs. You should practice MCQs after you know the concept. First, we should understand the concept. So Raksha has already done a great job with GST. Vishwas is doing a great job with tax. So we want you to get the concepts. Concepts are very, very crucial. And MCQ answering tips will be given by Vishwas. Now, because we are going to start this class 25th March, that is tomorrow, we are going to have this class at 9 p.m. So 9 p.m. will be the live, so you can join us, and we are having a huge discount right now because we understand that you need to do well in the exam. And also now there are a lot of other issues and there's a lockdown and it's not very easy for you to go out. So the best way, let us study direct tax live, and if you want anything you can WhatsApp us. So as you can see on the screen, we have our WhatsApp number 973-973-3400. If you want any details, also we have a form in the description box below. If you have already filled it, don't worry. If you have not filled it, you can fill that form and we'll call you back. But please ensure that by tomorrow you join and you'll get the live classes. That is 25th March. And once you attend these live classes, Vishwas sir will make sure that you understand direct tax very well. And for you to get convinced, we have 4 videos, that is 2 recorded and 2 live sessions, which are already there on YouTube. I will leave a link to all those videos in the description box. You please watch it. Then you will definitely be convinced. Already many students have joined. Since we have limited seats, please make sure that you join and tomorrow night, that is 25th March night, we have the live session for direct tax, and this will continue for all the chapters of the syllabus. Old syllabus and new syllabus students will be getting a lot of benefit, and this will help for June exam and December exam, because it is the same Finance Act applicable. That is why for both these exams you can study the same live classes, and as I told you, the recordings will be available on our website and Android app. You can watch it unlimited times. We never give you restrictions, correct? We want you to do well. That is the whole idea. So now please stay at home, please practice social distancing, and make sure that you use this time to study and not just reading all messages on WhatsApp, etc. Fine. So I'll see you in the live sessions. You have any doubt, you can WhatsApp us. This is our number. You can call us 973-973-3400, and we'll tell you how you can be part of the direct tax live classes. So thanks for joining. Once again, you see all the videos in the description box, then you take a decision. And for any doubts, we are always there to help you. Don't worry, and all the best for exam. All of us will get through this difficult phase. Thank you.